In this video, I'll tell you what you can do if Gemini shows the Something Went Wrong error in Google Chrome. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a like under this video. First, open Chrome and go to Settings. Then open Privacy and Security and go to Third-Party Cookies. In this section, you need to find the site data connected with Gemini and remove it. After deleting the Gemini site data, try opening Gemini again and check if the error is gone. If the problem is still there, the next step is disabling all Chrome extensions. Extensions can sometimes mess with websites, so turn them off and test Gemini again. If it still does not work, you can reset Chrome settings back to default. To do that, go into Chrome settings, find the reset option, and confirm the reset. After the reset is complete, restart the browser and open Gemini again. In many cases, clearing the Gemini data, disabling extensions, or resetting Chrome can fix this kind of issue. That's pretty much the full process. Start with the smaller fixes first, because you may not need to reset the whole browser if removing site data or disabling extensions already solves the problem. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.